boys been making me drink till 2 or 3 in the morning, eh? Louder, come on, can't hear you, man. Do I have to take my pants down? Come on. Oh, well, if I have to.
Everybody watch out, there's some pills going on the rampage looking for cheap thrills. You better hide your others and your mama too. No one's gonna guess what he is up to. Hey, just one night, feeling alright. Just one night, fucking alright.
The tragedy, you search for a reason for all this hate. Shaking legs, covered blood red. But someone must be there to relay. An easy explanation is what people wanna hear, so they can paint their face in not fear and not fear. Made it to the East Bay, sweet California. Made by what followed here, beginning of misery.
This liberty is crying because the twins are dying. The ways we go are wrong, never noticed for so long. Stupid white men having fun to kill the poor man holding gun. Never learned that this is fun. I'm not surprised how they react.
But you judge me from what I wear. Now tell me, why do I care? Maybe because I thought that you're more than just a fraud.
Everything is fine, just go on with your ways. Believe that every lie's no life left behind. And if there's just nothing, what are you gonna do?
Thank you for coming out.
See you
Thank
at
you,
the
Gare
bar.
de Leon, as well, okay?
That's free mind.
Sound guy, come on. Give him a big round of applause right there. He's been working hard. Come on.